Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Here we're doing some more work to our Chevy build, and today I'm extremely excited to bring up a really underrated accessory that we have available to you here. It is the Super Springs helper spring system, available right now. Check them out at RHRSwag.com. Now, mounted on this Chevy, we did get a little bit of a lift, but their main priority is to take whatever stability, sway control, and stuff like that you have currently with your truck loaded, and takes your abilities to the max. Absolutely insane product, super easy to install. 3 different duty levels take it from improving your ability to keep your truck from sagging with an extra 1,000 pounds up to 5,000 pounds. They got a light, medium, and heavy duty system for most make, models, and years. Now on the system that we have installed here, it only took about 90 minutes. A couple of adjustable shackles at both the front and the back that actually are going to go on your leaf spring, so it does not over stiffen your ride, guys. It is a totally automatic functioning system, so really cool design from our folks at Super Springs. Now this is made with the highest quality steel, highest possible standards, made right here in the United States. We got these and a ton of other things from Super Springs available to you right now. Check them out and join us at RHRSwag.com.